12 habits that quietly keep people poor. Most people think poverty begins with a small paycheck. It often doesn't. It begins with small habits. Habits that seem harmless today, habits that quietly shape tomorrow. The difficult truth is that financial success is rarely destroyed by one catastrophic decision. It's usually eroded by ordinary choices repeated over months and years. That's why two people can earn the same income and end up living completely different lives. One builds security, the other builds stress. The difference isn't always opportunity, more often it's behavior. Here are 12 habits that quietly keep people poor, even when they earn enough to escape it. 1. Spending before thinking. Many purchases happen in seconds. The consequences often last for months. Modern life encourages immediate gratification. See it, want it, buy it. But every impulse purchase steals resources from future opportunities. Imagine trying to fill a bucket while someone quietly drills small holes into the bottom. No single hole seems serious. Together, they empty the bucket. Here's what most people never realize. Financial success isn't built by avoiding one expensive mistake. It's built by avoiding hundreds of unnecessary ones. Wise people pause before they purchase, because a few minutes of patience can prevent years of regret. 2. Confusing wants with needs. Needs sustain your life. Wants decorate it. The problem begins when every want starts feeling like a necessity. A newer phone, a larger television, a luxury car, an expensive lifestyle. Soon, comfort becomes expectation. Expectation becomes pressure. Now think about this. The more things you convince yourself you need, the more expensive life becomes. Freedom often grows when unnecessary desires become smaller, not when income becomes larger. Contentment isn't the enemy of ambition, it's the foundation of financial stability. 3. Ignoring small expenses. People pay close attention to large purchases. Small expenses often escape unnoticed. A subscription here, daily convenience spending there, frequent unnecessary upgrades. Each decision seems insignificant until you add them together over years. Think of a leaking faucet. One drop appears meaningless. Thousands eventually fill a bucket. Money behaves exactly the same way. Wealth isn't only lost through dramatic mistakes, it quietly disappears through repeated carelessness. Those who respect small amounts usually become capable of managing larger ones. 4. Refusing to learn about money. Many people spend more time researching a new phone than understanding their own finances. They work hard for money, but never learn how money works. That's like rowing a boat without learning how currents behave. You'll move, but far less efficiently. Financial knowledge doesn't guarantee wealth. Ignoring financial knowledge almost guarantees unnecessary mistakes. The world constantly changes. Wise people continue learning about budgeting, investing, taxes, risk, and long-term planning. Because ignorance is one of the few financial mistakes that compounds over time. 5. Living to impress other people. Some of the most expensive purchases are made for people who don't actually care. Designer labels, luxury cars, oversized homes, status symbols. Here's another truth. The applause usually lasts minutes. The payments often last years. Imagine carrying heavy stones simply because strangers compliment the bag you're carrying. Eventually, you're the one suffering from the weight. Financial freedom rarely comes from appearing wealthy. It comes from needing less validation from people whose opinions rarely change your life. 6. Depending on one source of income. Imagine a table standing on one leg. As long as nothing goes wrong, it remains upright. But one unexpected problem and everything falls. Many people build their financial lives the same way. They rely entirely on one paycheck, one employer, one opportunity. Wise people understand the importance of diversification, not because they expect disaster, but because they understand uncertainty. Financial resilience isn't about predicting the future. It's about preparing for possibilities before they arrive. 7. Waiting for the right time. Many people delay saving because they believe they'll start after the next promotion, or after paying one more bill, or after life becomes easier. But life has a habit of replacing one excuse with another. Imagine standing beside a river, waiting for all the water to stop flowing before crossing. You'll wait forever. Here's where many people get it wrong. They believe financial progress requires perfect conditions. In reality, it usually begins with imperfect consistency. Small amounts invested early often outperform large amounts invested too late. 8. Avoiding difficult financial conversations. Money problems grow quietly when they're ignored. Couples avoid discussing debt. Families avoid discussing inheritance. Business partners avoid discussing expectations. Silence creates confusion. Confusion creates conflict. Think of weeds growing in a garden. Ignoring them doesn't solve the problem. It gives them more time to spread. Financial conversations may feel uncomfortable, but discomfort today often prevents hardship tomorrow. Maturity includes discussing what others prefer to avoid. 9. Trading long-term freedom for short-term comfort. Comfort is expensive when it becomes a lifestyle. Buying now instead of saving, relaxing instead of learning, consuming instead of building. Every decision feels small until years pass. Imagine planting seeds but digging them up every week to check if they're growing. Impatience destroys progress. Financial freedom asks for something many people resist: delayed gratification, the willingness to sacrifice a little comfort today for much greater freedom tomorrow. 10. Believing more income will solve every problem. Many people dream about earning twice as much. Few ask whether they'd manage twice as much any better. Money magnifies habits. It doesn't replace them. Someone who spends carelessly with a small income often spends carelessly with a larger one. Imagine pouring clean water into a dirty container. The water changes, the container doesn't. Financial success begins by improving the container, your habits, discipline, and judgment. Then greater income becomes a blessing instead of another missed opportunity. 11. Never investing in yourself. The highest return investment often isn't found in the stock market. It's found in your own abilities, learning valuable skills, improving communication, developing leadership, strengthening discipline, expanding your thinking. These investments continue producing returns long after material possessions lose value. Knowledge increases earning potential. Character protects it. The person you become often determines the opportunities you'll eventually attract. 12. Believing wealth is built overnight. Modern culture celebrates instant success. Real wealth usually grows quietly, without headlines, without applause, without shortcuts. Imagine watching bamboo grow. For years, almost nothing appears above the ground. Meanwhile, an enormous root system develops beneath the surface. Then growth suddenly accelerates. Financial success often follows the same pattern. Years of invisible discipline create visible results later. The people who understand this stay patient. The people who don't usually quit too early. The greatest financial mistake isn't earning too little. It's allowing small habits to quietly shape a future you never intended to create. Every financial decision casts a vote for the life you'll eventually live. Some decisions build freedom, others build dependence. The difference rarely appears overnight, but over time it becomes impossible to ignore. Because wealth isn't usually created by one extraordinary opportunity. It's built by ordinary habits practiced with extraordinary consistency. If this lesson made you think differently, subscribe to Propel Mastery. Because mastering your life begins with mastering the way you think.